Tell me something about yourself are usually asked question at the start of the interview to get the conversation started. Mostly 90% of the interview, this is the start question, and your response will set the tone for the rest of the interview. When the interviewer asks you this question, tell me something about yourself. He or she really wants to know how your experience is related to the job you're applying for. And this is the easiest way to get the conversation started. You can answer these questions in so many ways, and people are not sure what is the best answer for this question. Take the time to prepare how you want to tell your experience and ensure you make a first impression that will lead to a job offer. Today, I'm going to teach you the outline, the standard answer. Then with a little practice, your answer will naturally flow as you get comfortable. Sample answer to this question. I'm John, a manufacturing engineer, graduated from Kennesaw State University. I am a self-driven professional with 5 years experience in manufacturing and production design. My passion and skilled focus on machine learning, robotics, 3D drawing and design. And aside from that, I am knowledgeable in installation and troubleshooting of manufacturing equipment. Next question. Tell me something about your current or previous job. Sample answer. I've spent 5 years at ABC Company as manufacturing engineer, and my job applied continuous improvement methods such as lean manufacturing to enhance cost effectiveness, quality, and implement changes to reduce cost and improve production. Next question. A safety guard is missing on a conveyor motor chain, but your manager wants to start running the production line. What would you do? Sample answer. Safety issues and procedures must be followed and enforced, and it should be accepted by everyone from the general manager going down to the production worker. If there is a safety guard that is missing on a conveyor, it should be rectified first before the line running to prevent accident or serious physical injuries. Next question. Kindly explain what is Six Sigma and how you use it. Sample answer. Six Sigma is a set of management tools and techniques designed to improve business by reducing the likelihood of error. It is a data-driven approach that uses a statistical methodology for eliminating defects. As a manufacturing process or industrial engineer, you should already be Six Sigma certified. If not, then plan to be certified soon. Next question. What is the difference between Kaizen and Six Sigma? Sample answer. Both Six Sigma and Kaizen are techniques used to make business improvements. These systems are both designed to be used continuously in order to make positive changes as time goes on. The difference between Kaizen and Six Sigma is that Kaizen is used to improve the company as a whole, whereas Six Sigma involves recognizing and correcting deviations in a product. Next question. Describe what is total quality management. Sample answer. Total quality management is a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. In a total quality management effort, all members of an organization participate in improving processes, products, services, and the culture in which they work. Next question. Explain what is lean manufacturing. Sample answer. Lean manufacturing has enabled businesses to increase production, reduce costs, improve quality, and increase profits by following 5 key principles. Identify value, map the value stream, create flow, establish pull, and seek perfection. Next question. Can you define the term BOM and describe how it is used in manufacturing? Sample answer. BOM stands for Bill of Materials. It consists of a list of components used to manufacture a product. It may also be the supplier used in the manufacturing process. Finally, it is sometimes the tools and supplies the employees use in a manufacturing environment. Next question. Are you familiar with Kanban, and have you used it in your previous jobs? Sample answer. Kanban is a scheduling system which helps manufacturers decide how much to produce, what to produce, and when to produce. It also keeps track of manufacturing components and supplies, and will replenish these at predetermined minimum levels of inventory. Kanban is a useful tool because it provides production managers with all the information they need in a single application.
Can you tell me something about your previous job or something about your experience? Sample answers. I am a project lead for multiple projects. Direct and oversee vendor shop repair on high voltage motor and equipment to ensure quality. Execute equipment maintenance strategies and perform other duties or projects as assigned within the budget. Provide technical assistance to field personnel in the area of high voltage distribution equipment and high voltage motor generator. Why are you leaving your current job or previous job? Sample answer number 1. My current job has been a great experience, but the growth is limited because the company is relatively small. I need to look somewhere like this company where this is opportunity to grow my career. Sample answer number 2. I am ready for the next challenge in my career. I love the people I work with and the projects that I work on, but at some point I'm looking for a company where opportunity to grow my career. Have you ever had conflict with your superior or colleagues, and how do you handle it? Sample answers. I think everyone at some point had a conflict with their superior or colleagues. I'll just try to work with them whenever possible and stay away with conflicts as much as I could. Technical questions. If a DC motor is connected across an AC source, what will happen? Answers. Direct current flow is obstructed only by resistance, while AC current is obstructed by both resistance and inductive reactance. Therefore, when a DC motor is connected across an AC source, the current on AC will be less than the DC. The motor would run, but it would not carry the same load, and it will spark on the process. Explain the RLC circuit. Answer. RLC circuit, the most fundamental elements like resistor, inductor, and capacitor. This circuit is connected to an AC source. Then it continuously charges across the capacitor and discharges across the inductor. So to make the circuit stable, we use a resistor in the circuit to make the circuit. All of these elements are linear and passive in nature. What is motor generator set? Answer. A motor generator set is driven with both devices mounted on the same plate or base. Sometimes DC motor is driving an alternator or AC motor driving a DC generator. Can you explain the difference between direct and alternating current? Answer. In alternating current, the voltage oscillates between a negative peak and a positive peak, technically known as crest and trough. The voltage of the system is rated by either the peak value or the RMS value. In a DC supply, the current is unidirectional and the voltage is fixed. It has only one positive and one negative terminal, like your car's battery, 12 volts. What is the square root of I? Answer. 1 over square root, open and close parenthesis 2, plus I over square root, open and close parenthesis 2. What is a thermocouple? Answer. A thermocouple consists of two dissimilar metals connected together at one point. When the heat is applied to the junction, a voltage will be generated. What is the difference between primary and secondary cell? Answer. Primary cell is a cell that produces electric current from an electromechanical reaction, but is not capable of being recharged. While the secondary cell is a rechargeable electrical cell that converts chemical energy into electrical energy by a reversible chemical reaction, also called storage cell. What is voltage drop? Answer. Voltage drop or potential drop is the decrease of electrical potentials along the path of a current flowing in an electrical circuit. Occurs when the voltage at the end of the run of cable is lower than at the beginning. Eddy currents means current induced in the interior of the conducting masses by variations of magnetic flux. What is open and short circuit? Answer. An open circuit is a break in the circuit or not having a complete path for the flow of electric current, while short circuit is an accidental connections of negligible resistance joining two wires of different polarity of a circuit through which nearly all the current will flow. How many cells are there in a 12 volts car battery and how they are connected? There are 6 cells in a car battery and they are connected in series. And each cell is 2 volts. If battery is connected in series, just add them, equals 12 volts. What is half-wave and full-wave rectifier? Answer. In half-wave rectifier, it passes only one half of an AC wave. And the full-wave rectifier passes both half of the AC waves. Will you be available to work overtime, shift change, swing shift, or grave shift? What is the frequency of a 4-pole alternator driven at 50 Hz? Answer. Ns equals 120 F over P. F stands for frequency. P stands for number of poles. Ns stands for synchronous speed. Ns equals 120 times 50 Hz over 4 equals 1,500 RPM. Do you familiar with any electrical tools? Name a few more electrical tools and how to use it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.